Intramural sports at Valencia College give students the opportunity to be active. On Osceola campus, soccer is one of the intramural sports available to students. During one of the practice sessions, one of the students, Akiyoshi, kicked the soccer ball straight up from the ground with an initial velocity of 56 feet per second. Its height above the ground in feet is given by h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 56t. When will the ball reach a height of 32 feet? So we want to replace h of t with 32 feet. So we're going to say 32 equals negative 16t squared plus 56t. And it's a quadratic, so we want to set it equal to 0 so we can solve it. So we're going to subtract 32 from both sides. So we're going to have 0 equals negative 16t squared plus 56t minus 32. Now we can simplify by dividing everything by negative 8. That's a common factor. So that's going to give us 0 equals positive 2t squared minus 7t plus 4. Now we can solve using the quadratic formula. So the coefficients will give us a equals 2, b equals negative 7, and c equals 4. Now let's solve using the quadratic formula. So we start off with x equals negative times negative 7 plus or minus the square root of negative 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times 4, all divided by 2 times 2. That's going to give us positive 7 plus or minus the square root of 49. Then negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 times 4 is negative 32, all divided by 4. Now, let's continue. So x equals 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 minus 32 is 17, all divided by 4. That's going to give us two different answers. So we have 7 plus the square root of 17 over 4. After we put it in the calculator, we're going to get approximately 2.78. And then if we do 7 minus the square root of 17 over 4, using the calculator, we get approximately 0.72. So we're talking about seconds. So this is 2.78 seconds and 0.72 seconds. And so what these answers tell us is that when Akiyoshi kicks the soccer ball straight up, at first, when it first reaches the height of 32 feet, it's at 0.72 seconds, and then upon coming back down, it would be at 32 feet at 2.78 seconds.